Hello traders, welcome to my channel, Brilliant Trading Tips. In this channel, I will be sharing with you all the necessary trading tips to have you kickstart your trading career. If you have been trading but you do not see profits in your trading, then these indicators that I will be sharing with you here and the tips might help you become profitable. Today, I want to show you one of my favorite strategies, and if you employ this strategy in your trading game, I'm telling you, this might work for you and this might give you profit if you follow exactly everything as I tell you. Listen, one of the most important things you must have in trading is patience. Patience. If you know how to wait for opportunities, then you will become profitable. Because the mistake we make as beginners, we are so impatient. We have the fear of missing out in the market. But if you are patient, you wait for a setup you can recognize. Because remember, we trade only what we see. We trade only what we see. Traders are not all the same, but we trade what we see. There are traders who are using trend lines only. They wait for the market to touch the trend line and they want to see a rejection, and they enter and go up or go down according to the position where the market is at that time. There are people who trade only breakouts. There are people who trade setups like double bottom, double tops, M's and W's. But there are also traders who trade with indicators. Now, the mistake, or rather something that I've noticed, the technical traders, those who trade only price action, they tend to speak ill of indicators. They say indicators don't work, or indicators are lagging, or indicators are misleading. Listen, we are not the same. Some of us are eating because of the indicators, and some, they choose a clear chart. You see a plain chart, price action, they only trade what they see. And us who are using indicators, we trade only what we see. Do you get what I'm saying? If you want a tip from me, if something is working for you, stick to what is working. Leave what is not working. We are not the same. If indicators are not for you, stay far away from indicators. If price action is your ace game, embrace your price action. At the end of the day, indicators are made with the fundamental basics of price action. Do you get what I'm saying? Now, because I don't want to waste more of your time, let me install the indicators I want you to have and I want you to begin using. It's very easy to use. It's beginner friendly. Even with zero experience in the market, you can practice this one and ace it. Listen, trade first on your demo until you master this strategy, because no matter what type of an indicator you may be having, if you lack patience, if you don't have mastery over that indicator or that strategy, you will not be profitable. You will not be profitable. You see, if you master the psychology of a winner, then you'll be profitable. Let me start. If we want to install, rather if we want to paste a custom indicator into our charts, we go to Navigator. If you see this file and the start, this is MetaTrader 4. We go to Navigator. I click there, and there are my indicators appearing on the side panel. You see, these are my indicators appearing right here. Now the indicator I want to employ, or rather to paste, is this trade. Is this trade. The name of this indicator is trend because I got this indicator from AM Trading Tips. But when I first had this indicator, I believe it was back in 2019 or 2020, and it was a Holy Grail 2.0, and this was called Holy Channel. Does not matter the name or who compiled it, as long as you know how to use it. That's it. If you have a gun doesn't guarantee that you'll be invincible, because you can have a gun but not have a knowledge to operate it. You can have a machine gun and not have a knowledge to operate it. You can be given a car and not have the necessary skill to drive the car. What is important is the skill to operate what you have, the skill to master what you get. Listen, let me explain this to you. This red or crimson or maroon line, we use it as our support, and this upper red band, the bottom band is a support, the red band is a resistance. You can take this one as a trend line as well, even this one as a trend line. It's more like a channel. If you were to draw a channel, this is the line. You see the trend line there. This is what we use to draw a trend line. The line, you see, it goes like this, and then we take it, we put it at the top. These are the lines. So if you are using this channel, it is the same as someone who is using trend lines, because these bands are more like lines, are more like trend lines rather. They are more like a channel, but they are automated. You don't have to draw them like manually. You see, they are automated. Now let me delete the lines, the trend lines that I drew. Let me just go here and delete it on up here. Okay, it's fine. Listen, when a price reaches the resistance, you are looking to short the market, meaning you are looking to sell, to go down. When the price reaches the support, you want to go up, you want to go long, you want to buy. But this is not a complete strategy, because I must also install this. This is a 24-hour prepare arrow. This arrow, you see these arrows? If this channel points upwards, you don't want to be taking the arrows that are pointing down. You don't want to be taking the arrows that are telling you to go down, but you want to take only the arrow that are saying go up. Why? Because it's an uptrend, and if it's an uptrend, you don't want to find yourself trading against the trend, because that is a recipe to blow your account. You want to be on the side of the trend at all times. If the trend is an uptrend, you want to go up. Listen, there are ways we use to see the trend, if it's up or down. We use some tools to detect the trend. You see, this one is an obvious uptrend, because it's a series of, it's an obvious uptrend. It's a series, it's a higher high, it's a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. That's how we see an uptrend. And a downtrend, it's a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now, since this one is obvious that it's a what? It's an uptrend. You want to be going up. You want to be taking the signal arrows that are telling you. And also, don't take the arrow immediately. Wait for a confirming following candle. It may be a pin bar, or it may be an engulfing candle, and that's when you take it. For instance, here, this was going down, and now it's at the red band. the arrow appeared. You wait. This one is an engulfing candle. When it closed, then you can enter. You see, when it closed, then you can enter up. But in this case, you don't have to enter. You don't have to enter in this case. Listen, let me put another one. This one is a candle timer. This one is a candle timer. It shows you the minutes that are remaining before the closure of the candle. Okay, I'm 10 minutes into this video. I didn't want to be long. Now let me just show you this. You see, you open your buy here, you open your sell here, you open your buy here, you open your sell here, you open your buy here, you open your sell here. You don't take the arrows which are in the middle of the channel. You only take the arrows which are in the red part of the band. The red part of the band or outside. They are more accurate. This one you can take it here because it's at the red part of the band. But since I'm just demonstrating for you, if you happen to take this one, you see, you'll make sure that your stop loss will be below the arrow or just outside the band. But you must always consider the risk to reward ratio, because you don't want to be risking more than you can make in a single trade. You must always make sure that what you stand to lose is far less than what you stand to gain, and what you stand to gain is double or triple or quadruple what you stand to lose, so that if you happen to lose 2 trades in a row, 1 trade will make you recover all your losses. Do you get what I'm saying? Because of time, let me cut it short. It's 12 minutes into the video already. I wanted to demonstrate this one to you. Listen, this is US 30. It's an index. This strategy will work for you in indices, in currencies, in options, in stocks, in everything that you want to trade. This will work for you. You can trade gold, you can trade everything. But I want you to focus on currencies. I'm just sorry that I demonstrated this strategy for you in US 30. I wanted to take a currency pair, maybe GBP USD, but I will teach you more about this, because I would not recommend a beginner to trade indices. I would not recommend a beginner to trade indices. If you want to trade indices, you better trade indices micro, NAS, micro US 30, micro German 30. In that way, it is not a riskier. It is, at least it's something you can manage, because when indices are in micro, they are not as dangerous as when they are just CFDs. You get what I'm saying? Now, I hope you see the strategy. It's a channel, and then it's the stars, and it's a candle timer. The candle timer shows you how much time remains before the closure of the candle. You see this one, it's 2 minutes 50 seconds remaining before the closure of this candle. This engulfing here tells you to enter. Listen, even though the strategy may seem easy and beautiful as you see before your eyes, you will not be 100% correct at all times. That's why you must always take note of your risk management. Consider risk management, because this is a market. This is a market. This is not your mother's game or your uncle's game. This one, is a real work. If you are not careful of your risk management, you might blow your account and you will say Forex is a scam, but not. Listen, if you want this indicator, you want this strategy, make sure that you like this YouTube channel, comment and subscribe. Then take a screenshot. You will send me the screenshot. You will send me via Telegram, or you will send me via WhatsApp, and I will send you this channel. I will send you this strategy. I will make more videos. I have 0 subscribers as yet. By the time of this video, I have 0 subscribers. My YouTube channel is still new. You'll be the first subscriber, and you'll be the first person to receive this strategy. Listen, if you want to be profitable, make sure that you have a plan and you follow your plan. This is a golden trading tip. This is a golden trading tip. Have a plan, and at all times follow your plan. You don't trade everything, but you trade only what you see. You get what I'm saying? Please like, subscribe, comment below, tell me that you want this strategy. Send me a screenshot and I will send it to you. God bless you. Bye-bye.